Hello friends, today we study about cube and cube root. First of all, we see that what is cube. It is a number which when multiplied by itself and for 3 times. It means if we take a number and we have to find the cube of that number, so what we do? We have to multiply that number itself for 3 times. For example, we take a number 3 and we have to find the cube of 3. So what we do? Here you can see there is 3 which is multiplied by itself and for 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so the cube of 3 is 27. Now we see cube root. What is the cube root? It is just opposite method of cube. So how can we find the cube root of a number? We have to find prime factorization of that number. So what is the prime factorization? It is just same as LCM. You all know that what is LCM. How can you find the LCM? So it is same as LCM. Okay, so we have to find the LCM of 27 and then we took a pair. We form a pair and that pair consists of 3 digits. Like here we form a pair and a single pair consists of 3 digits. Like 3 into 3 into 3, it's just a single digit 3. Okay, so the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, now we study 4 properties of cube and cube root. What is the properties of cube and cube root? First property, cube of an odd number is odd. What is the meaning of this? See, if we take an odd number and we have to find the cube of that number, so the cube of that odd number will be odd. For example, we take a number 3 and we have to find the cube of that number. So cube of 3 is 27. So 3 is an odd number and 27 is also an odd number. Okay. Second property is cube of an even number is even. It means if we take a number which is even and we have to find the cube of that number, so what we do? We obtain 8. 8 is an even number and the cube root of 8 is 2. So it is also an even number. Okay. Third property, cube of a negative number is negative. It means if we find the cube of a negative number, so the cube of that number would be negative. Okay, for example, we take minus 4 की power 3 means minus 4 cube. So what we do here? Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, we obtain minus 64. Okay, so the cube of negative number is negative. Okay, now fourth and the last property of our cube and cube root is cube of a rational number p by q is p की power 3 and q की power 3. Okay, so what is there in this? First of all, we take 2 by 3 example. It is an example. So the cube of 2 by 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 and upon 3 into 3 into 3. In this type of question, we have to find the cube of numerator and denominator both. Okay, so what is the cube of minus? No, not minus, it's positive. So what is the cube of 2 by 3? It's 8 by 27. Okay, now how to find a cube root of a number? The cube root I have discussed before. So how to find the cube root? It's just like prime factorization. Prime factorization I have discussed with you that it is a LCM. So for example, we take 27 and we have to find the cube root of 27. So what we do? We took LCM and what is the LCM of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. What is the prime factors of 27 is 3, 3 and 3. So we form a pair of 3 which consists of 3 digits. So the answer is 3, means the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay. Now second example, 1331. We have to find the cube root of 1331. So in this also we took prime factorization. we already discussed prime factorization. I have told you what is prime factorization. So here 11 121s are 1331, 11 11s are 121, and 11 1s are 11. So now we form a pair of 11. There are 3 numbers in one pair. So 11 into 11 into 11 is equal to 11. So the cube root of 1331 is 11. Okay. नाउ कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं आपके पेपर में या किसी भी टेस्ट में, तो वो क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं हम कैसे आ जाते हैं. हमें बोला जाता है कि जैसे एग्जांपल लेके यहाँ पे हमने क्वेश्चन लिखा है कि इज़ 40500 अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, इफ़ नॉट बाय व्हाट नंबर शुड 40500 बी मल्टीप्लाइड टू गेट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. ठीक है, तो इसमें हमें क्या बोला है क्वेश्चन में कि जो हमारा 40,500 है ये परफेक्ट क्यूब है या नहीं. अगर नहीं है तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करें 40,500 से कि वो परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. तो ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में हम क्या करते हैं, देखो सबसे पहले तो ये देखते हैं हम कि ये परफेक्ट क्यूब है या नहीं. तो सबसे पहले हम इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑलरेडी, सो you all can understand now what we have done in this. There is the prime factors. These are the prime factors of 40,500. 5 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so there are 2 and 2. It is 2 times and it doesn't form the pair. And there are 3 numbers. There should be 3 numbers to form a pair. ओके, यहाँ पे हमारा जैसे 3 है और यहाँ पे 2 है, तो ये 2 हमारे 2 अकेले हैं, इनका पेयर नहीं बन रहा. और ये जो 3 है ये भी अकेला है, इसका भी पेयर नहीं बन रहा. तो हमें पेयर बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे एक 2 चाहिए और यहाँ पे 2 3 चाहिए. ठीक है, सो इसका मतलब कि हमारा एक 2 और 2 3 को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आ जाएगा, 18. इसका मतलब हमें 18 नंबर चाहिए जो हमारा परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए मल्टीप्लाई करने पर. ठीक है, अब ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं डिवाइड के कि किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें कि जो वो है 40,500 परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. इन क्वेश्चंस में भी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकलेगा. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकाल के क्या करेंगे आप, देखो इसमें हमें 2 2 हैं, इनका पेयर नहीं बन रहा, और एक 3 है, इसका पेयर भी नहीं बन रहा. मल्टीप्लाइड वाले में तो पेयर बनाने होते हैं, जो एक्स्ट्रा नंबर होते हैं ना वो ले लेंगे हम, और डिवाइड वाले में जो एक्स्ट्रा होते हैं वो हटा देंगे. इसका मतलब यहाँ 2 2 हैं और एक 3 है, तो एक 3 को और 2 2 को हम हटा देंगे, मतलब डिवाइड कर देंगे 2 2 को और एक 3 को. इट मीन्स 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So we need to remove 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12 to make a perfect cube. Okay, thank you.